In the last couple of decades, last 20 years, 25 years, I've had about 15-20 visits to Xinjiang. I've been to the mosque in Kashgar, I've been to the Grand Bazaar in Urumqi. Even we had music programs, dancing away with different communities who live in Xinjiang. Not just the Uyghurs, not just the Han Chinese, not just the Kazakhs, not just the Kyrgyz, not just the Uzbek. So it's a very pluralistic, dynamic, fast-growing region of China. There are over 1,000 Pakistani students studying in Urumqi. And I've seen the same in Kashgar also, the old bazaar of Kashgar, the lifestyle, the quality of health, the quality of food, the number of cars, the number of modern buildings, and especially apartments. So all that show that there is an incremental rise in the living standards of the people of Xinjiang, especially the Uyghur community, with the gainful employment, with new access to opportunities in education and employment.